The Mathura Additional Magistrate announced today that Chairman of the Capital Maharaj Organisation Limited is not required to appear before the Mathura Magistrates Court on the 11th of this month.
The Additional Magistrate made this announcement when a motion filed on behalf of the Chairman of the Capital Maharaj Organisation Limited was taken up for consideration today.
Mathura Additional Magistrate Manjula Karunaratna issued notice on the 25th of last month on the Chairman of the Capital Maharaj Organisation Limited to appear in court on the 11th of December after considering a petition filed by United National Party parliamentarian Mangala Samaravira. The order was sought under Section 81 of the Criminal Procedure Code Act No. 15 of 1979. A motion filed against this at the Mathura Magistrates Court was taken up for consideration today by Additional Magistrate Manjula Karunaratna. Attorneys appearing on behalf of the Chairman of the Capital Maharaj Organisation Limited pointed out that the request made by the petitioner under Section 81 of the Criminal Procedure Code does not provide sufficient grounds to issue notice on the respondent.
When this matter was called in Magistrate Court of Mathura, by way of motion, the respondents have given notices to the petitioner and his lawyer, but unfortunately the petitioner or his lawyer were not present in court today. So after considering the fact that the respondents have given notices to the petitioner, judge allowed our application to make submissions on behalf of the respondent. So on behalf of the respondent, Mr. Arsapurasna, President Counsel, made submissions before court and stated these notices were issued by way of only the affidavit. In that affidavit, there was mere statement, averments only. There was no material before court. They have not made any complaint to the police. There were no evidence with regard to that. Because of that, it is not proper to issue notices with regard to the respondent under 81 of the Criminal Procedure Code. So, to elaborate that, we have submitted all the photographs where Mangala Samaravira, the complainant, was involved in an unlawful possession where he has admitted in his affidavit, and for that purpose we have submitted photographs also. So Mr. Alsapura, the President Counsel, informed court whether it is illegal to inform the people about the illegal things that were done by the petitioner. So we have submitted our photographs and marked those photographs for the benefit of court. After considering our application, judge reserved the order and issued notices to the petitioner to be present on the next date, that is 11th, but not for the respondent. Whether to issue notices for the respondent to be present on that day will be considered on that day after hearing the other party.
President's Counsel Rienzi Arsakularatna noted that Mangala Samaravira has already been named a suspect in cases filed at the Mathura Magistrates Court, and this was even mentioned in his affidavit. The President's Counsel pointed out that there was no sufficient facts under Section 81 to issue notice on the respondents cited in the petition filed by Mangala Samaravira. Hence, the Council requested court to recall summons and for the case to be dismissed. Taking this into consideration, the Mathura Additional Magistrate stated that after submissions are made by the petitioner on the 11th of this month, a decision on the request made by the respondent will be made. The Additional Magistrate further stated that the Chairman of the Capital Maharaja Organisation Limited was not required to be present in court on the 11th of this month, and that it would be sufficient for attorneys to be present in court on his behalf. President's Counsel Rienzi Alsakularatna appeared with attorneys at law G.G. Arul Pragasam, U.R. De Silva, Vasanta Batagoda, Vishwa De Livera Tendakun, Niranjan Arul Prakasam, and Nadi Sarachandra, instructed by attorney at law Ramya Chandra Gunasekara for the respondent in the case.